birds of spring. Why do the birds of spring sing louder and gather up in flirtatious throngs when in the northern woods I play alternative pop music loudly in my humble cabin and dance like the womanly waves of the nearby green ocean? Are the birds of spring gay? Is spring gay? Budding and blooming, the nipples on my chest? Is the universe queer? Scientists will affirm this in their scholarly toil between the humble gradients. I dance anyways. I still dance. I dance away the afternoon. I am gay. A trans person is always gay in some way to someone who thinks they know how things should be. But still, I am here. The birds of spring come and sing.